Hi there. This video will show you everything you need to know about snake straps. Snake straps are the best way to fasten your insulation snakes. They allow easy access to your system, and they also allow the snakes to be reused. Not to mention, they look much better than other fastening methods. And now, on to the installation procedure. If you added notes to your basket on Quote Pro, you can refer to those notes here as a reminder of where each product needs to go. To use the straps, simply wrap the snake strap around the product, feed the strap through the buckle, and then tighten it up. Make sure that you don't over-tighten the straps, as compressing the insulation will reduce the R value. Now you know everything you need to properly fasten your insulation snakes using snake straps. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using insulation snakes.